people there in Louis Vuitton in Frankfurt was really friendly. They're awesome people there. Yeah, and they have repaired gold hardware here. Everything. It's like brand new again. And also the biggest part, the hardware. I'm sorry, the leather part of the bag. They have changed it. Especially this part, because now it's brand new. Look at that. No scratches, nothing. The pipings also. They have changed everything. Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Elle. Today I would like to share to you about my bag, which I have received after 9 weeks of waiting. That's my Louis Vuitton Speedy in the mirror event canvas. Yeah, I went to Frankfurt last year in November, and I have asked the sales coordinator. They are very friendly people there in Louis Vuitton shop in Frankfurt. I was amazed. I was really amazed. Awesome people. Thank you so much. Yeah, and they have prepared it. I was surprised because I was really so thankful. I don't need to pay for that repair. Yes, and what they have repaired are the leather parts of the bag, everything, including the pipings, and also the gold hardware. They have repaired everything here. Look at that. It's brand new again. And the zipper. Yes. Both sides. Also the D-ring on the side. Look at that. I was really surprised. Thank you so much. I will include in this video the unboxing of this bag when I got it from repair. So you can see they got a new bags and also a new dust bag from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, and they clean it. They repair and clean. I was really surprised. Look at that, like brand new again. Smells so good. Thank you so much, Louis Vuitton. This was I have bought this bag in year 2018. That's why she still have the date code. But the problem was the hardware and the leather part was they have repaired it, the handle. So now I am so glad it's like brand new, and this is my favorite bag actually because I love the design. I love the material and the design of the damier band. I also love the monogram canvas, but this is like because I live in Europe, it's I think it's better. I love it. It's more classic, and I can use it in any you know, casual or when you're a little bit dressy, you can still wear it. It still looks so pretty. So yeah, thank you so much again, Louis Vuitton, for repairing my bag, and it was just free. So thank you so much for watching. If you do like this kind of video, please do like and subscribe, and I will include in this video the unboxing of my repair bag. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you again. Bye. Love it. Okay. Really sealed. Oh, the wrong one. Oh wow. Without payment. This is a repair. They are very generous. They put a blue box. And let me see. Oh yeah, that is so cool. They changed everything.
What did they repair?
They repaired this part. And they changed this part because it's okay. Let's open this. They also changed the buttons, I guess. And this, oh wow, it's new. It was before scratch already because I don't know what's wrong, but they changed it. And the whole thing here.
And how old was the bag?
3 years old. There's another one, another message for me. Written in French. We have the pleasure of returning your repaired product. Oh, thank you so much. That is really good. And what's that? Oh, yeah, it's still the same code. It was 2018. Now they don't put code anymore because they put chips. But there was the time where they still have code. So I am so happy. Wow, they repair it without payment. Oh, that's why I love Louis Vuitton. Sorry, but it's my favorite brand. Thank you, LV.